It has been 3 weeks since Puragain installed a whole home water filtration system in my house, and here are some things that I've noticed. Prior to Puragain, all the water I was drinking came out of a plastic bottle because my tap water wasn't safe. Now I don't have to worry about the BPAs from the plastic water bottles. I could literally pick any sink in my house. I could even drink straight from my shower head or even the hose if I wanted to. Also, prior to Puragain, we got our water tested and it came back that it was super hard, filled with lots of minerals, and you can see the lime scale buildup on my shower head. This is what it looks like now. There is no buildup. We ended up going with Puragain because they have whole home water filtration systems, meaning all the water going throughout your entire house is clean. This purification system uses new technology, so you don't have to put any salt or do really any maintenance on it yourself. In fact, it actually came with lifetime servicing, so anytime there is a problem, if there ever is a problem, they will come out and give it a look. The system doesn't require a bulky tank. In fact, I actually really like how it looks. It doesn't use any electricity and it doesn't waste any water. And I even got an added water drinking system for my kitchen sink. If you want to see what Puragain can do for your home and your water, just head over to their website now.